Alright, so we have washed and dried the car, and now I'm going to put a coat of this Griot's Garage ceramic 3-in-1 wax. The directions say shake well, apply to clean, cool, contaminant free and dry surface. Working one small area at a time, spray a light mist onto the surface. Use a clean microfiber towel or microfiber plush towel. Quickly spread product over the surface. Flip towel over to dry side and buff to a high luster. So this one does not say to leave on for a few minutes before you wipe it off. It basically just says spray it directly on the surface, wipe it, and then flip your towel over and wipe it again. And so that is different. Some say not to spray onto the surface, some say to spray it on the towel first, some say to let it sit. This one does not. So this will be my first time using this product. So we're going to give it a try here. If I can read the nozzle. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to use this microfiber sponge to apply it. I'm going to use this microfiber towel to wipe it off, and also another one just to kind of buff it out. Running down the hood on me. Take me a little bit to get used to how much of the stuff to put on. I might have put a little too much on. The other interesting thing about that is that the price fluctuates greatly on Amazon. So the fair price for that bottle is about $20. So you can check the Griot's Garage site and compare that to the Amazon site, and you should, if you watch it, you can get it for 20 bucks. Sometimes they'll have it on there for 30 and up, so you don't want to pay that. These wipe on, wipe off ceramic products, they have a feature they call stacking, where you can apply them and then wait like 48 hours and apply it again, and it kind of puts ceramic coats on top of ceramic coats. This car probably has at least 10 coats on of the mother CMX over the last 3 years or so. So it's got plenty on there, plus I use the ceramic foam cannon wash sometimes, and so this has plenty of coats on it. So now I probably will do this twice a year as kind of a maintenance thing. But if you watch the video I did earlier with the foam cannon where it hadn't been washed all winter, I mean, it still has plenty of ceramic on it. Right now, as we apply this, it's not like it really needs it, but that's kind of when I like to do it, just to keep up with it. You can do the headlights with this stuff. It'll prevent the sun fading and all that. So this is kind of what I consider the most important parts of the car. Would be the hood, the front fascia like this, and the side mirrors that get everything from the front with all the bugs and everything. Helps them come off easier. Now the fun part, the roof. I find being right-handed, I like my right arm closest to the vehicle. I can reach farther. Before I do that, I want to get what I can from the ground here on the back spoiler, because I can reach a lot back here without the ladder. So what I do is I just use the shark fin antenna as the halfway point and get what I can on this side. And because you're going to have some overspray where I'm trying to do half the roof, some of it's going to hit the other half. Before I take my time to use these finishing towels, I'm going to go ahead and do the other side with the application. That way I'm not wasting my time finishing the one side and then getting overspray on it as soon as I do the other side and having to go back and do it again anyway. So I'll just apply it all on the roof and then go back and wipe it all off. Alright, so we have it all on. Since my ladder's already here, I'm going to start right here. When you get overspray on your glass, all you got to do is just wipe it off in this step. No big deal. Alright. So I know you're not going to be able to see a lot of difference because it's already clean, but that's it. Okay, so we just did the ceramic coating. Again, this car is 5 years old, 81,000 miles. Looks great.